filtered water, dusting sulfur, cayenne pepper. I blended those up some last season actually. And here is a mixture of distilled water and essential oils, things like lemongrass, lavender, rosemary, orange, essential oil, maybe a few others that I forgot to mention, but since I have to re-up on this recipe again, just stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much my overall insect spray for the most part. Just to show you how much got strained out. Because of the sulfur, it doesn't completely dissolve in water. You can see where that filtered out. So we're gonna go with a few drops of essential oil mix. You can use peppermint version. That's actually what I prefer, but the lavender will work too. Actually, that was the ingredient I forgot to mention in my mix. Peppermint, essential oil, just a few drops, and this is just to make it stick. And we're going to fill that up with filtered water and give it a shake. Blackberry bush. Again, it's just a mixture of essential oils, cayenne peppers blended up, a little bit of powdered sulfur mix, and various essential oils. It's best I apply this in the evening time. I don't want it to get sunscald similar to neem oil. I don't want that effect, so I'd rather spray this in the evening time. I've had no problems using this in the evening time, so go ahead and give this a quick round.